Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna do a travel series. So I'm gonna show you how I pack my bag that I carry on and my carry-on luggage and my check-in luggage. So I'm gonna have a series of I think 3 or 4 video. The first one, which is gonna be today, it's gonna be the bag that I carry, what's in my travel bag. And then I'm gonna combine my toiletry and my makeup bag together, and that's gonna be a separate video. And I'm gonna do what's in my carry-on, the rolling suitcase, what's in it, and that's gonna be my third video. And then the fourth video is gonna be what I check in for international flight. So this travel particularly is to India. So those are my subscribers who travel to India often or planning to go to India. This will be tricks and tips, how to pack your bag, and what are the things that you need if you go to a third world country. Although you could purchase majority of the things there, my trip is short and I have a lot of activity planned, so I am not going to have enough time to purchase anything. And I am a little bit of a germaphobe, and I do have a sensitive stomach, so you'll see in my packing I include a lot of stuff that is as precautionary stuff. If you guys are interested to know what's in my travel bag, then keep watching. So I'm gonna show you guys what I have in this bag. This is the bag that I carry along with my roll-on. So this bag is by Bagolini, and this is waterproof, and it also has an RIFD wallet inside of it. So this is really, it looks very big, but it's really not. This, you could put it under your seat where your leg rest is, and you could have everything, fit a lot of stuff that you need that you could be using in your flight. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 outer pockets, and then it also has a pocket for like water bottle, and in both sides. And then in the back it has a little flap where you could put quick stuff. So it has a lot of compartments. So I'm going to start with each compartment. So this compartment, I have copy of my itinerary and some tissue, Kleenex. You never know when you need Kleenex. I have my mask that I use to sleep. So if somebody next to me has lights on and they want to read, I could have my mask to block out the light. I also have some scrunchies. So these are the what do you call it? The no wrinkle, like it doesn't give you that dent in your hair. So these, I have like a couple of them. So that's what's in this pocket. And then on this pocket I have some wet ones, and I'm a germaphobe, and as you know, in the plane and in a closed compartment there's lots of germs, so I have plenty of that. I have very bad, like I had told you, I have a very bad stomach, so I have a small slice of Tums because I don't know how I'm going to react to the food in the plane. And I have about 3 pens, because you always need a pen for, I like to write while I'm in flight, just ideas while I'm traveling, and also for customs you need pen. I also have 2 packs of gum, And then I just carry a bottle of medication bottle with all my meds that I would take. I take a lot of medicine for my GERD and stuff like that, and my vitamins. And I also have some ibuprofen, Tylenol, and stuff like that. Quick things that I could use during flight. I also have my Milani, I think this is called Keep It Smooth lip balm. And in flight, you know, your skin gets dry, and I have dry skin, so I just want to keep my lips very hydrated and moisturized. So that is a must. So in this middle pocket, I have 2 books. One is my journal that I like to put my thoughts, my events, you know, just like journaling. And I really love this. And this says, pray more and worry less. I don't know if you guys could see that. It says, pray more and worry less. And then this little book, I write down ideas for YouTube videos or my itinerary, anything quick that I want to jot down. So I have these 2 books. This is really cool thing that I got on Amazon. This is a solar power battery pack that I could charge up to 2 to 3 devices. So basically this is solar power. So if you don't have electricity in the third world country, hopefully not, I could charge my phone with that. So I thought that was really cool. Along with that, I also have a battery pack that could charge up to 3 devices. I have it already charged and ready to go. So I have 2 backups. And in this middle pocket, I have copy of my itinerary, copy of my passport and stuff like that. Just an extra copy I like to use. And this is an RIFT protected, almost like a wallet case. So I keep all my cards here, and then this is basically a passport holder. So I have my passport in here. So this is really protected. So I don't have anything on the back pocket or the side pockets, but in the middle I have a pair of sweatshirt, and I have this cool little pillow that you could open it up and it becomes either a neck pillow or like a square pillow. So I'm going to be traveling a lot in the plane and in the train and all that, so I thought this was very handy. I have my cool sunglasses, nothing expensive because I don't want to travel with anything expensive. This is from Target. Then I have my little comfy blanket, you know, because I'm going to be traveling in the train. Once I get to India, I just want to make sure that, you know, I'm warm at night if there's a breeze or anything like that. I like to have my own, although they provide sheets and stuff, but I just want my own thing. And then I have all my goodies. I like to do a lot of skincare. I like to moisturize my skin while I'm in flight. So I have all my liquids and all my stuff that I will use in flight in this bag. And then I'm not planning to wear a lot of makeup, so I just have this much makeup. I'm going to do a separate video on these 2, so look for that. And then I have a brush or hairbrush, because when you're traveling you really need a brush because your hair is going to go crazy. I know mine does. Then on the outer pocket over here, I'm not sure if you could see it, like there's a flap over here. I'm only going to be traveling with my Kindle, and I have movies and shows, music, all that downloaded into it. So this is going to be my flight companion. And then of course I have my phone, and I also have this thing that says take charge. Basically what this is, I have all my chargers and converters, and my phone chargers, my Kindle charger, my converter, all that stuff in here. And I got this from Hot Look, and I basically carry this so I know all my chargers and electronic stuff is in one place. So I throw that in here. I also have my regular pair of glasses, and I have some eye drops in here, a cleaning cloth, a contact case, and some extra contacts. So that's all my eye care I keep in this little compartment, and I have that in my bag, so then if I want to take my contacts off and take a nap and I could have my glasses, I could do that very easily. I also have my Skull Candy Pop Click headphones in here, and I have it organized in this little gadget that I got from Container Store so that it doesn't get tangled. So I have my ear in headphone as well as my noise control Skull Candy grind headphones, so I could listen to my music and cancel all the stuff out. And I also have this socks. It's a comfy, fluffy, thick socks that I will wear right after I get onto the plane. I would take off my slip-on shoes and I'll put this on so I could be warm and comfortable, and I don't like having my shoes on, but if I go to the bathroom I could slide on to my slip-on shoes and still go to the bathroom. And I would just take this off when I land and switch to my thinner socks that I would have on, or if the weather is warm there, I would just use my slip-on shoes. These are the basic things that I would travel with that makes my long flight. My flight's going to be a total of 21 hours, so my long flight is a little bit of ease. I also buy a magazine and a snack at the airport, so then if just in case if I'm hungry, hypoglycemic, I have something to cover me, and if I don't like the airplane food, and then also magazine to keep me busy, something just to read. So that's what I have in my carry-on bag. I hope this was helpful. I hope this gives you some tips and ideas for your travel. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, and subscribe if you haven't. Have a great day. God bless.